Hi, everyone. Good to talk to you again, not see you because I can't. So, hope you're doing well. Here we are with the next progression in this unit. So, we're doing percent of change, finding the original amount word problems. So, we're going to incorporate everything we've done and keep it moving here. So, let's try it. So, number one, we have six problems. Brady's books sold 1,150 bookmarks this year. That is 25% more than the store sold last year. How many bookmarks did Brady's books sell last year? Really interesting. So, 25% more means we're going to do 1 plus 0.25, and that's the value we're going to use, 1.25. So, they sold 1150 this year, which is 1.25 more than they sold last year. We don't know how much they sold last year, so we use an X for that. So then this is pretty much all you're going to be doing for these types of problems is figuring out the value here, how this relates to the whole. So this is an increase, so it's going to be greater than 1. Times the original value because that's what we want to find. So the original amount we're going to refer to as x, and we'll just divide. Divide by 1.25, and we get 920. So that's logical because if they sold 1,100 this year, which is more than 900 last year. Great. Number two, this year, Tea Off served a total of 5,808 cups of chamomile tea to its customers. The manager notes that this number is 60% higher than last year. How many cups of chamomile tea did the cafe serve last year? Okay, so 60% higher tells us that's going to be 1 plus 0.60, which is 1.60. That's a value we'll use. So last year, 5,808 equals, I'm sorry, that's this year. 5,808 equals the rate, I'll drop that 0, times x, divide by 1.6, divide by 1.6, and we get 3630. 60% higher than 3630 is 5,808. All right. Franklin, he currently bowls an average of 182 points per game. Is that higher or lower than what you can bowl? Which is 40% higher than his average score was last year. Oh, really putting in work. What was his average score last year? Okay. So 40% higher, 1 plus 0.40. 1.40. So currently 182, which is 1.4 times his old score. To get his old score, we divide by 1.4 and we get 130. Wow, that man's really out here. All right. Number 4, Olivia is trying to drink more water, so she has been keeping a log of how much water she drinks. Yesterday, Olivia drank 147 ounces of water. That is 50% more. So that's 1 plus 0.50 or 1.5. Then she drank 2 days ago. How much water did she drink 2 days ago? So 147 equals 1.5 times the amount she drank 2 days ago. I divide by 1.5 and get 98. So she drank 98 ounces of water 2 days ago. Yesterday she had 50% more, which was 147. Cool. Number 5. Since switching to a new career, Mary makes 1,000, no, that's not how to read numbers, $124,430 annually. Not bad. That is 50% less than she got paid in the past. Well, that was a silly career change. 50% less, so now I'm going to do 1 minus 0.50. So all the other ones have been plus. These have to be minus. This one has to be minus because it's 50% less. So that means she took a pay cut. So she should be getting a bigger answer. So 124, 430 equals 0.5 times what she was getting paid at her old job. Divide both by 0.5 and get 248, 860. Would love to know why Mary made that career change. Very interesting. All right, last one. With his new trainer, Nasir now bikes at an average speed of 25.9 miles per hour. That is 18.7% faster than he averaged with his old trainer. How fast did he bike on average before training with his new trainer? Same idea. 18.7% faster tells us we're going to do 1 plus 0.187. 1.187. That'll be your rate. So this has extra decimals in it, but it doesn't matter. We're using our calculator anyway. 25.9 equals 1.187x. It's an 8. Divide both sides by 1.187. And we'll round to the nearest tenth because that's what our original value was given to us in. And that's 21.8 miles an hour. So I guess his new trainer is serving him well. All right, so this is the gist of this lesson. Again, this is percent of change, finding the original amount, word problems. You'll find this IXL Algebra 1, D6. As always, reach out if you have any questions. Here to support you. Have a good day. Bye.